Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying this morning, I think we are likely in a wave B right now, and because of that, I probably would be bullish on gold. We do have a little bit of a higher low here, so there's a chance this is actually already a wave C. If it already is a wave C, it might keep on drifting up a little more. Maybe this bottom will become a top, or maybe this area right here at the 61% will be the area of resistance. We have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow, so maybe we'll push up throughout the London Asian session. And then maybe tomorrow at the big news event, we'll get another push to the downside. I still think we need to be a little bit cautious with our sorting opportunities because the trend is definitely still up on every single one of the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.